Hello there, it's Sanu, your IKEA enthusiast, back again. Nice to see you all. In July, IKEA added over 550 new products, so I'll start with the ones that look like they'll sell out fast. There's this really stylish side table.
And price is unbelievable.
The base slides right under your sofa, so it's a really functional little side table. You can pull it toward you, which is so handy, and it's made of solid wood. So for that price, I was genuinely surprised. When you add one design-forward piece like this to a room, it instantly looks more stylish. I thought this one was such a great find. This is the coffee table from the same series. It's a nice big table, and the legs have a bit of a design touch, but the top is a simple rectangle. The legs are the same material as the side table I just showed, so as a set, they'd look lovely together. That said, once you've seen that first side table, this one feels like it isn't quite as good a value. Honestly, the top being so simple has a slight taped edge look to the corners. Personally, in the same price range, I think the Gutane looks more high-end. But if you just want something a bit bigger while keeping the price down,
This one's a good pick.
there was another really lovely side table tucked away on display. It has a light oak veneer with a lovely Scandinavian-inspired, natural feel. The tips of the legs are gold, so it has a slightly elegant vibe too. And the lines are nice and thick, which gives it a high-end look. There's a shelf underneath too, so it has storage, and you can use it as a side table like this, or it would work great next to your bed. There's a new armrest tray for your sofa, so let me show you. It clips onto your armrest, and the clamp width adjusts really finely, so it fits nice and wide. That means it works on all kinds of sofas. The top is made of steel. It's really simple, so I think it goes with any interior. And it's an affordable price, so it's easy to give it a try. The side is designed just like a SKUGGSTUBB pegboard, so the SKUGGSTUBB accessories work with it. Like this, you can add a little holder for pens, or hang some hooks, that kind of thing. This would definitely be handy for holding a remote, right? Or, what else? Maybe hanging your glasses on a hook. It also comes in a dark red color option. This next one is actually a March release, but it's a similar item, so I thought I'd show it too. The top on this one is solid wood, so it's a bit pricier than the last one. But the texture is really lovely. This one works the same way, and the width adjusts really finely too. I actually already have an armrest tray on my own sofa, and I can set a cup down and it stays steady, which is super handy. Okay, moving on to the kitchen. There were these new goblet glasses. They have a slightly petite design, and they look really stable too. They'd look sweet with a dessert in them. They're dishwasher safe, and I love that you can buy them one at a time, don't you think? This here is a carafe. There are all sorts of carafes, and some are surprisingly heavy. But this one wasn't like that, and the weight felt easy to handle. The design is really minimal and lovely too. It has a proper spout, so it looked easy to pour from. I've mentioned this before, but this blue glass, you all gave me such good excuses to buy it in the comments, so thanks to you, I ended up getting it. Compared to the brown one from before, someone said the handle might be a little thinner, so I figured I really had to compare the sizes, which meant,
Well, I simply had to buy it.
And honestly, just lining these two up together is so cute and makes me happy. The handle does feel a bit thinner, but it's still totally easy to use. It's a glass mug, so I love that you can use it for hot drinks too. And color-wise, you might think the color wouldn't go well with brown drinks like coffee or tea, but honestly, it doesn't bother me at all. Also, compared to the glass mug next to it, the rim felt thinner than the other one. It looks thinner. After actually using it, it felt really nice to drink from too. And of course, I love that it holds plenty. It's microwave safe and dishwasher safe. Now, the lighting section. There was this simple lamp base. IKEA sells all kinds of designy bulbs like this. You can pair one with a simple lamp base like this for really minimal lighting. You get to combine it with whatever bulb you like. I was surprised by how affordable it was, but it doesn't feel cheap at all. I actually have the black one, and I've had it for a while. Back when I wanted to light up behind my TV, this is what I used. Right next to it is another one that's really popular at IKEA, so let me show you. It's a marble lamp base. The texture is really nice. This is the lamp base I was putting behind my TV earlier. And this bulb, I really love it too. It's so pretty, isn't it? The middle is slightly dented in, so people often comment that it looks like a red blood cell or a little rice dumpling. Pairing this bulb with this base would look adorable, right? Just setting it on top of a side table would instantly look stylish. This next one was sold as kids' lighting, but it's a wall lamp. There's a desk lamp in the same series too. That one came in orange and white, while the wall lamp came in green and white. That's the lineup. Even though it's meant for kids, I think it's a totally charming design for adults too. You turn the big knob to dim it. And the angle of the neck adjusts too. It has a built-in LED, so you don't need to buy a separate bulb. Looking at the online site, it says you can replace it though. If you leave it on for 6 hours a day, it apparently lasts about 10 years. This is a floor lamp designed by a Milan designer named Raffaella, and this floor lamp getting an IKEA price was a real talking point. And now there's a new color. The darker brown one on the left is the new release. This one is really lovely, and the base is marble, real marble. The shade is made of frosted glass. The switch part is really stylish too, so minimal, isn't it? You press the top button for the up light and the bottom button for the reading light. That's how it works. I think this might actually be my first time seeing this light turned on. The whole glass glows, and it was really beautiful. It's so nice when the variations grow like this, right? The bulb for this reading light is a size you don't see very often, so just keep an eye on that. I'd recommend picking one up at IKEA at the same time. There was a slightly unusual pendant light. It has a simple fabric and wood frame shade. I thought it had this really crafty design, and then the ceiling cup up top, the part on the ceiling, has a metallic design. It's a fun design, isn't it? Doesn't it look a little like a paper lantern? The kind you float up into the sky. I thought the light would spread out nicely all around. If you like a natural, gentle vibe, how about this one? Next up, there are some new items in the bathroom section. And it's a wall cabinet. I was really looking forward to seeing this one in person. It was a bigger, sturdier wall cabinet than I expected. It has a lid, and it locks too. Inside looks like this, and it seems the shelf is removable. It's nice and big, so it could hold cosmetics, and since magnets stick to it, you could put your fan merch inside and even decorate the door too. It also comes in green, and that one is even cuter. This here is a drawer unit. It's the HELMER series drawer unit on casters, and the red and black came out as new. Well, the red was probably around before, wasn't it? Maybe it had been discontinued at some point. It has a full 5 drawers, so assembly looks pretty involved, but this industrial handle design is really lovely, isn't it? The casters properly had a lock function. The white one had a new tag on it too. I'm not quite sure, but the price has probably gone up over these last few years, right? I feel like it used to be more affordable, so I guess that's just how it goes. This one here is black. Okay, up next, we're moving on to some bigger furniture. It's a sofa bed, and the thing about IKEA sofa beds is that they don't obviously look like sofa beds, which is the whole appeal. This one is a sofa bed you can use in all sorts of ways. It used to come in black and orange, but now there's black, plus a new light gray and green, available now. If you take off the back cushions, you can stretch out sideways, that's the idea. And this seat part and this half circle part that looks like a poof, all of it is storage. So you can store blankets and things inside. And this half circle part actually detaches. Pull it toward you, and it can be an ottoman, a daybed, or even a little table. It's a multifunctional sofa bed. Speaking of sofas, there's a really popular one called the SÖDERHAMN, this one right here. And guess what? A sofa bed version of this one came out too. Isn't that amazing? This is it opened up, but the store didn't have a sample in the closed position, so I couldn't see it that way. But looking online, it really just looks like a regular SÖDERHAMN. But when you open it, it turns into this spacious, double bed-sized bed, which was such a surprise. The store one doesn't have the armrests on, but for reference, I'm showing the price of the armrest version in the top right. You can customize this part yourself. There were a full 7 cover options available right now. And I love that you can pick your favorite color too. There was a cute dining chair. It's this fabric dining chair, and the leg design is simple, and I thought it was really nice. It's a fabric chair with a thin foam-filled seat and backrest. And there's no wrinkling at all, so the crisp design keeps it from looking too lived in, which I really like. There's also a black one, and this one is synthetic leather. It looks like you could wipe off spills easily, which is nice. But personally, this yellow fabric one is the prettier pick for me. The legs might look like wood, but they're actually metal frames. There was also one more color, a gray option. This one was, what was it? A felt-like fabric. The seat is angled, and at the back the seat height is about 17 inches, and the front is about 18 inches, so I think it's pretty tall. Now let's check out the latest room set. This time it's this room set, which I showed a little while back, but on the far side there was a kids' room kind of space, about 11.5 square meters, so let me show you. But first, this wall hook, is that what you call it? It's incredibly charming, honestly, and I really love that it folds up flat when you're not using it. Has anyone here bought one? I've heard rumors that it was pretty tricky to install. The area beyond here is a Japanese-style room, I think. The closet doors have been taken off. The wall had a SKUGGSTUBB pegboard set up across the whole surface. And in the middle here, something is set up like a table, right in the center. This is the TROFAST, a classic storage piece, and you set a top on it so you can use it like a desk. Inside the closet, lots of SKUGGSTUBB storage boxes are being used. And what's really clever is a shelf called the UGGLERUM, which they combined in as a clever way to avoid stacking the SKUGGSTUBB boxes on top of each other. It's actually really fun to take a peek inside the storage of a room set like this too. Now, the decoration section. There was this tiny little addition to the artificial greenery. It has a design like a kangaroo holding it. It's rare to have a design on the pot cover side like this, isn't it? This here is the candle section, and there was a new LED candle. It's this light shaped like a candle holder. The light you see through the frosted glass is really beautiful. It flickers in this lovely way. There was a black color option too. This one was really beautiful as well. This one has 3 light sources, so it looked genuinely like a real candle. This gold and glass pattern is really pretty. The great thing about these LED candles is that they're on a timer. After 6 hours, they turn off automatically, and they come back on at the same time the next day. This gold one seems to be sold out right now. My personal recommendation is this LED candle. Not the candle holder, but the rechargeable LED candle inside it came out this year. It might have been late last year, but it came out, and I really love it. There's a 4-pack version, and it's one of the best things I bought this year. Being rechargeable makes it so easy and handy. It just doesn't have a timer. This one is a battery-powered light, shaped like an oil lamp. The retro design is lovely, isn't it? Quick heads up, but that stylish portable lamp I showed before, the chrome-toned one, has come to Japan now too. The moment it's in stock, I definitely want to buy it. I'll keep showing you new products next time too. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. See you again really soon in the next video.